13 things women notice about a man at first sight. Women's psychology. Have you ever wondered what catches a woman's attention when she first sees you? This intriguing question grabs the reader's attention and sets the tone. You invite the audience to reflect on the subtle yet impactful first impressions they make. It sparks curiosity, making them want to explore the answer further. Brief overview. First impressions are powerful. They happen within seconds, but their impact can last a lifetime. Whether you're walking into a room, approaching someone for the first time, or simply passing by, certain things stand out almost instantly. In this guide, we'll uncover the 13 key factors women tend to notice right away when they meet a man. Why it matters. First impressions aren't just about looks. They shape how you're perceived in the long term. These initial cues send subconscious messages about who you are, your confidence, style, energy, and overall personality. When you understand what's being noticed, you can control the impression you give and use it to your advantage. Being mindful of these details can enhance your confidence, deepen your connections, and improve the way you navigate social interactions. Promise. By the end of this guide, you'll gain insights into the qualities that stand out the most to women, helping you make a stronger, more positive impression. Whether you're meeting someone new or enhancing your social presence, these tips will ensure you leave a lasting and favorable impact. 1. Posture. Importance. Your posture speaks volumes before you even say a word. A confident, straight posture conveys not only stability, but also self-assurance. It's a silent marker of strength and readiness, telling others that you're comfortable in your own skin. Scenario. Picture this. You walk into a crowded room, standing tall with your shoulders back and head held high. This relaxed yet commanding posture draws attention, making others subconsciously view you as someone confident, capable, and in control of the space. 2. Voice power. Your voice is one of the first things people notice, and it can set the tone for any interaction. A calm, well-modulated voice, neither too loud nor too soft, exudes confidence and clarity. It's not just what you say, but how you say it that matters, as your voice can project warmth, assertiveness, and ease. Scenario. Approach a woman at a gathering, greeting her with a clear, steady voice. The sound of your voice sets the atmosphere for the conversation, relaxed yet engaging. This simple adjustment in tone can create an instant connection, as it signals self-assuredness and attentiveness. 3. Body language. Impact. Body language is a key element of communication, often speaking louder than words. Open gestures, relaxed movements, and meaningful eye contact signal confidence and approachability. How you carry yourself through nonverbal cues can shape others' perceptions of you within seconds. Scenario. You're sitting across from someone in conversation. Your shoulders are relaxed, you use natural hand gestures, and you maintain eye contact without being too intense. This combination immediately conveys a sense of ease, trustworthiness, and authenticity, leaving a lasting positive impression. Attitude. What it reveals. Your attitude is a window into your character. A positive, resilient attitude suggests emotional intelligence, adaptability, and a proactive approach to life. On the flip side, a withdrawn or defensive demeanor may signal insecurity or negativity. Attitude can influence not just how you're perceived, but also the energy you bring into social interactions. Example. Imagine walking into a networking event with an open, optimistic mindset. You're approachable, engaging, and ready to listen. This kind of energy attracts people and creates an inviting atmosphere. Compare that to walking in with your arms crossed, looking withdrawn or irritated, which can put up social barriers and turn others away. Physical distance. What it reveals. How close or far you stand from someone speaks volumes about your respect for their personal space and understanding of boundaries. Appropriate physical distance indicates that you're attuned to the other person's comfort level. Being too distant can come off as aloof, while getting too close too quickly can feel intrusive. Example. Imagine you're in a conversation and you subtly lean in slightly to show engagement while still respecting the person's personal space. This signals attentiveness and interest without making the other person feel uncomfortable. In contrast, standing too close or invading someone's space can make them feel uneasy or overwhelmed. 6. Personal hygiene. What it reveals. Your grooming and hygiene habits reflect how much you care about yourself and your attention to detail. A clean, well-groomed appearance shows self-respect and consideration for others. It's one of the first things people notice, and poor hygiene can leave a negative impression that's hard to shake. Example. Picture yourself meeting someone for the first time. You've taken the time to groom your hair, dress appropriately, and maybe even wear a subtle, pleasant scent. These small efforts show that you respect not just yourself, but the people you're interacting with. In contrast, poor hygiene, unkempt hair, body odor, or disheveled clothing can immediately create a barrier, signaling neglect or indifference. Smile effect. A genuine smile has the power to break the ice and create an instant sense of warmth and approachability. It's a universal signal of friendliness and positivity, often making people feel more comfortable in your presence. A smile can also reflect inner confidence and a willingness to engage. Scenario. Imagine you're in a coffee shop and you catch someone's eye. A simple, natural smile can invite a conversation, easing the tension of that first interaction and signaling that you're approachable. In contrast, a lack of expression or forced smile can create a barrier or make the interaction feel awkward. 8. Eyes connection. The eyes are often considered the windows to the soul, and maintaining steady eye contact is a powerful nonverbal cue. It demonstrates confidence, attentiveness, and sincerity. Good eye contact during a conversation can foster a sense of connection and trust. Scenario. Picture yourself at a social gathering, engaged in conversation. Maintaining consistent, relaxed eye contact shows you're fully present and interested in the person speaking. Avoiding eye contact might suggest discomfort or disinterest, making it harder to establish rapport. 9. Clothing. Message. Clothing sends an immediate message about your personal style, how well you present yourself, and your respect for the occasion. Well-fitted, appropriate attire reflects that you've made an effort and considered the setting, which can significantly shape first impressions. Scenario. Imagine attending a formal event in a perfectly tailored suit that suits your style. You instantly feel more confident and prepared, and others see you as someone who pays attention to detail. In contrast, wearing something too casual or ill-fitting might convey a lack of effort or understanding of the occasion. 10. Shoes. Detail. Shoes are often overlooked, but they can reveal a lot about a person's attention to grooming and detail. Well-maintained, stylish shoes suggest that you care about your appearance and take pride in the finer aspects of your presentation. Scenario. You walk into a room wearing polished, sleek shoes that complement your outfit perfectly. This small but important detail shows others that you're mindful of your overall look. Worn-out or dirty shoes, on the other hand, can detract from an otherwise sharp appearance. 11th. Fragrance, scent, memory. A well-chosen fragrance can leave a lasting impression, as scent has a strong link to memory and emotion. The right cologne can enhance your overall presence and create a positive, subtle reminder of your personality long after the interaction is over. Scenario. Imagine walking past someone and leaving a faint trail of a signature scent. Subtle, not overpowering. This evokes a pleasant association and can make you stand out in someone's memory, while an overpowering or ill-suited scent can have the opposite effect, turning people off or overwhelming the senses. 12. Energy level vitality. Your energy level speaks volumes about your enthusiasm, passion, and approach to life. People are naturally drawn to high-energy individuals because they inject positivity and excitement into their surroundings. Showing vitality can make social interactions more engaging and enjoyable, as it suggests that you're fully present and ready to participate. Scenario: imagine walking into a party or social gathering. If you bring energy through lively conversation, active listening, and dynamic body language, you'll naturally draw others to you. This enthusiasm is contagious, making you appear more attractive, engaging, and approachable. In contrast, low energy can make you seem disinterested or aloof, distancing others. 13th sense of humor. Connection. Humor is one of the quickest ways to connect with others. It lightens the mood, dissolves tension, and creates an instant bond. A well-developed sense of humor reflects emotional intelligence, creativity, and confidence, making interactions more fun and memorable. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and can handle social situations with ease.